So, what is it?
It's only
FPV Friday. So, another FPV Friday. Anyway, in this video, just me and Yogi again, we're at the mines, racing about. Hope you enjoy that video, but before I finished, I'm just updating my Goggles 3. If you didn't know, if you got the Goggles 3, guys, there's an update for it, and that's obviously for the latest Neo 2, which I'll be getting. So the video next FPV Friday will be the Neo 2. So yeah, I'm looking forward to it. So just remember, if you want to do the update, if you've got the Goggles 3, it's pretty easy. Just plug it in, go into your DJI Fly app, make sure everything's on. I'm talking about the drone as well. That will then give you the update. Enjoy the vid. The Neo 2. I can't wait.